Welcome guys to Ambitech GH, and it's another wonderful day by God. And on today's tutorial we're going to be learning how to be changing your ceiling fan capacitor. Okay, so when we look at this place, we have a capacitor over here which ranges from 1.5 to the next one, and then we have our fan here which is not blowing quite well, or sometimes you have to push it before it will blow. So here is a tutorial on how you can change it by yourself at your homes. Okay, so when we open this place, you see that this is the capacity or the capacitor that controls the fan speed. Okay, so if you want to change it, you just remove it responsibly, and then you open the terminals which they are in. Now you can't remove all the terminals because you are not an expert, and then you can't fix, let's say, a capacitor with your brain, okay, or with using the meter. So simple way is that after opening a single one, you use your new capacitor, okay, and then you tie it and then you fix it back. Okay guys, so here it is. I fixed one of the capacitors. This is the new one that I want to fix, and then I include it. But right now I have a problem with the second one because I removed only one terminal. Okay, so I'll be moving the second one, and then I'll just replace my new capacitor for the fan. Mind you, you have to tie it and have a very firm grip so that your wires will not be moved or will not be having a touch to the others. So right now guys, here is how I fixed the new capacitor on our fan which is not blowing quite well. So guys, it's up for test. Follow me. I have my brother here to hold the fan for me, and then so guys, you see how it goes now. Yes, you just change the new capacitor for the fan, and then it's up and running. Thank you, and subscribe for more tutorial on Ambitech GH.